What is my requirement here? The requirement is that when the created dealer record first time, there should always be a draft, right? And I think that you are able to do this. The only concern you had is in the second one. Second one or third one? Second one. So what I'm saying, selected primary contact should not be a part of location account of dealer object. So let's say if I go to the dealer, first what we are doing, we are choosing two things here. One thing is dealer manager. If I go to dealer manager, I can able to say location name is and primary contact. This is what. And if I go to location, then I have, it's a junction object between account and, where is this field? Okay, now, okay, got it. As soon as if I select anything here, so whatever location I select, this contact, whenever I'm choosing contact, that contact should be independent from this location, right? That's what you mean. Part of location should not be part of. So what I'll do, I'll go to my object manager and I'll search dealer, go to dealer, okay. I'll go to my dealer and then the validation rule, new validation, contact validation. So here I'm just copying the statement from here, copy, and I'm pasting for my reference. So select primary contact should not be part of location. So it means I have multiple conditions. So and I just open. And what is the first thing? That selected primary contact should not be part of. That means I need to know whether my contact is null or not. So I'll say is null. So it should not be not null. Not of is null, right? Not of is null. And what is the field name? Primary contact. Primary contact. And what is the next condition I'm talking about? Should not be part of location account. So as soon as if I select my account, as soon as if I select my account in my contact object, my contact object account should not contain the location of this field. So what I'm saying, I'll go to location first, dealer, and then I'll go to location name, location ID. This is called location. Should not equal to contact account, contact account location name. So what I'm saying, my primary contact is not blank, and then if it matches, my dealer location name matches primary contact account location name, then I need to say please select the different contact from the location. Location. Sorry, it's a primary contact and you understand what we have written here? We found, okay, this say. Now if I go to here, now I'll try to create dealer manager, and dealer manager I'll say Sirisha, and location name I'm choosing Bangalore, and primary contact I'm choosing Lakshmi Deepak, and I'm saying that it's active only, and substatus is Horizon. I'm saying it. Please choose, because Lakshmi Deepak is something, the record which is a part of. If I go to contact, yeah. So Lakshmi Deepak is a part of which contact, which account? Pro coding skills, right? If I go to Pro coding skills is a part of same location Bangalore, location name equal to Bangalore, isn't it? So we got this error, isn't it? Yeah, no matter if I choose anything other than, if I see Sirisha also, again error, because procodingskills.com. If I choose Lavakumar, then it will not throw error. Exactly. You got it right? So this is the scenario that we need to follow. So whenever you are writing your validation, whatever validation you want to write, put that statement on top of your validation always. So how it will gonna help? You can able to read again and again. Finally, you will get a right criteria to enter. Clear? Now there is a issue in Salesforce. Let's say if I go to my contact, let's say this is my phone number, right? Phone number. Do you think that ABC will accept? See, I can able to enter, right? But this is something wrong. But there are a chances that phone number cannot be, can be a 13 characters, can be a 12 characters if it is a fax number less than 10, right? Different. You can't define the size also, right? So we need to write a validation. It should accept only number. It should not accept anything else. So now we'll go to validation rule, object manager. I'm going on account. We'll see there is a different level of validation that we can do. Phone number formatting. Phone number format. So now you can see there is an option called regular expression, regex, right? Regex means here text. Which text you need to pass your phone. Here you need to pass your phone. And here you need to enter your regular expression. I know that you guys know we have read this regular expression before. So something like this 0 to 9, and we can define like a number of characters like 10 or 20. In this case we don't know size, so what we can do, we can put a star. Star means these numbers can repeat n number of times. If not in this format, then we'll throw error saying that please provide valid phone number. Please provide value phone number, and I'm throwing error at phone. Now if I edit my phone number here, if I edit my record, if I try to save, I should get an error because this is already invalid. Please enter valid phone number, right? I removed it. Still we'll get error because there is no hyphen. We didn't mention this stuff, right? This is a valid phone number. But once it gets saved, the format will come automatically. But as soon as you are entering, at least we are handling that it should not enter wrong phone number. And we can say always edit. We can say, because every number will start with plus symbol, isn't it? Every number is plus. Sorry. If mean, if in the sense, if phone number is number, phone number is number, right? But in this case, if no, we can't use that. The reason behind, we need to maintain this state, right? We also have a plus symbol. We always, phone number will contain plus symbol, isn't it? Starting. Plus also should be added. If you say each number, then what happens? Then it will throw error. Now it accepts plus also, right? Yeah. Phone number is not valid. So you can enter your country code and you can put a valid phone number. See, you are right, but you can do validation only if it is a relay number field. But phone number is a combination of everything. So we should not mess up with that format. So we can allow plus at starting always, and we can always say that this is again. If you think that I see, there are chances that I will not enter my plus symbol, like just put my direct phone number. So what we can do, we can put a star. Star means number of occurrences. Star means number of occurrences. That's it. But the problem here is, if I don't put my plus also, it will accept now. But now the problem here is, I can also do plus 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 plus. No, because I just kept is a number of occurrences. So what we can put? We have a number of defined. We can define one time. We can define one time. I'm just showing there is a difference in the brackets. If it is in the square brackets, it means that those numbers will come. If it is in a star, it means that number of occurrence. If it is in flower basis, number of occurrences. If I edit, if I say, please provide a valid phone number. I'm just removed it. Say. So it accepting at least one plus symbol. Right? Now, the scenario for you is how to make this plus symbol is also optional using regular expression.